next month. And ako, abangan nyo pa yung mga pagganap ni For Life Philippines sa mga darating na linggo. At syempre, since excited ng lahat, umpisa natin ating November sizzle sa isang opening raffle draw.
If you want it, take it. I should have said it before. Try to hide it, fake it. I can't pretend anymore. I only wanna die alive, never by the hands of a broken heart. I don't wanna hear you lie tonight, now that I've become who I really am. This is the part when I say I don't want it. I'm stronger than I've been before. This is the part when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more. This is the part when I say I don't want it. I'm stronger than I've been before. This is the part when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more.
Sa lahat, excited na ba kayo sa exciting news and promotions that we have for November? Parang na excited na ba yun? That's the energy. Kaya naman to bring us the good news na meron tayo for the month of November. Let's call on our For Life Philippines General Manager, si Eileen Tan Mario. Si
You are my universe, and I just want to put you first. You are my universe, and
It's your first time to attend one of our sizzles, we would like to sincerely welcome everyone. Kung 20 years na po tayo umattend ng sizzle, katulad ni Sir Frank, welcome pa rin. So we also have some people sa Zoom, so maybe we can show them some love. Yung mga taga dito, mag-wave tayo sa kanila. All right, so I know that not only people here in the office, but everyone, all of our affiliate from Luzon to Mindanao are excited to hear about our promotions and what we have in store for the month of February agad. November. Okay? Advance na kasi actually po gumagawa kaming calendar, nasa April na nga po kami. Holy week na. Okay, next. All right. So before anything else, we would like to congratulate For Life Philippines. Okay? Kasi po yung September was our highest sales month for the year 2024. Okay? September po yun, di ba? And we of course had a new silver elite at that month. Pero usually ho naman yan, nagkakaroon ng dip, right? Kaya bihira yung back-to-back, pero we would like to congratulate For Life Philippines because October 2024 is our second highest sales month for the year. So talagang ibig sabihin maganda yung trending natin, ha? Bonus sila. Kayo wala. So we have 8 new Diamond Elites, 32 new diamonds, and 4 presidentials. We'd like to give, yung mga naalala ko po, si Frederick Balinaw from the group of sila Ma'am Tessa, sila Ma'am Nicolay, Balino. Dinagdagan ko ng A. And of course, Ma'am Dana Desenon, our newest, one of our youngest presidentials. But of course, we also have one new presidential elite, Miss Maricar Francisco Saturno, the very beautiful, from the group of Ma'am Tessa and Ma'am Nicolay and Ma'am Let and sila Sir Vic and Ma'am Jean Alviar. So she was also with us doon sa Foundation for Life activities natin. And so congratulations, Ma'am Maricar. And we know that hindi niya makakawalan, magi-great escape din to for presidential rank. So one of the reasons why we had 32 new diamonds was last month we had the double up for the Diamond Holiday. Pero ang magandang balita po, ngayon pa lang a-announce na po natin na yung Diamond Holiday po natin extended hanggang 2025. Okay? So kung hindi pa kayo nag-qualify, pwede pa kayo mag-qualify. Yung mga naka-double up, nag-break rank, nag-maintain rank last month, you have the opportunity. So, yung mga nag-break, yung 32 the Diamond, November, December, January, October, November, December, January, February, March. Pero yun na yung pahintayin sa March. Kasi nga, ngayong padating na November 9, di ba ma'am? November 9, we will be traveling to Boracay with our first batch of Diamond Holiday qualifiers. Alam niyo ho ba, na sold out yung buong hotel. Pati ho ako, sa staff room na lang ako. Wala. Sabi ni Ma'am Aida, Ma'am, sobrang puno na. Lahat ng kwarto occupied ng 4Life affiliates. Can you imagine? Yung kwarto nyo po, kailangan na natin ibigay sa distributor. Okay, doon na lang ako kasama nung homes, yung front desk. Sa housekeeping yun. Doon kami sa likod. But that's that's something that we are very happy about. You know, we want to be able to get more of our diamonds to travel with us to experience the first trip that they will ever have here at 4Life through the Diamond Holiday. Kasi nga, after that, they will see a vision of how they can further grow their business at sa susunod, kasama na natin sila sa Great Escape. So, new diamonds, qualify 4 times in your first 6 months at this rank. So, from the time you break rank, 4 times within 6 months. So, yung mga nag-break rank last month, dahil counted siya as 2 months, 2 more times na lang sila. Qualified na sila. Ganon din sa mga nag-break rank ng Diamond Elite. Yung mga presidentials and above natin, kahit nakapunta na kayo ng 2 o 3 beses sa Diamond Holiday natin, pwede pa rin po kayo mag-qualify. All you need to do is qualify at presidential 3 times within 6 months and have one of your personally enrolled affiliate qualify for the Diamond Holiday. Kagaya ni Ma'am Chadi. Okay? So si Ma'am Chadi is going with us because she qualified under this category. Okay? So another news that we have is that, of course, our annual recognition gala is happening on December 8. That's a Sunday, 2 p.m. at the Crown Plaza Hotel. So, yung mga gusto pong ma-recognize, yung mga binanggit ko kanina na nag-break rank will be recognized at this event. We'll be recognizing our top 35, new top 35 for the year 2024, new top 12 for the year 2024. At meron pa po kayong last month, which is November. Yung hindi pa po nag-break rank, everyone who will be breaking rank this November will be recognized at our recognition gala. Pero bago ho ang lahat, make sure, okay? Ang attire po natin is formal, definitely because it's a gala. Kung gusto nyo po mag-participate para naman masaya, lahat, preferably green. Kung wala naman pong green, okay lang. Basta formal attire, okay? Shrek. Okay, so green, and make sure you have tickets because we only have 500 seats, okay, for the event, and we've already sold more than 300. So mga 150 na lang po ata or less yung natitirang tickets. Our tickets starting November 1 to December 4 kung as long as meron pa pong seats is at 2,000 pesos. Pero pag pumunta ka, okay? Hindi po siya per ticket, per person. Okay? Present, registering at the event. Kung 10 ticket mo, hindi dumating yung 9, isa lang. Okay? Kasi regalo namin sa mga dadating, pag lahat po ng may ticket na dadating sa event natin, makakatanggap ng isang kahon ng energy glow sticks. Okay? Magkano to? 1,750. So, 250 na lang yung buffet dinner mo sa 5-star hotel. Right? Baka manalo ka pa ng cash na 50,000 pesos. You have 1 in 500 chance, di ba? of winning 50,000 pesos. Of course, we'll have a dance party and affiliates who broke rank between December 2023 to November 2024 will be recognized at the event. Hindi lang po yung 50,000, marami pa po kaming cash prizes and products and wala na. Nasaan na yung iba? Bilisan natin. Ayan, napadating na. May products kami paparaffle ngayon. Di ba? Ako ngayon nga, excited tayo, lalo na dyan. Okay? So make sure, if your group doesn't have, yung mga downline natin, wala pa pong ticket, make sure they get their tickets. Kasi pag naubos yung 500, gustuhin pa po man namin magdagdag. Hindi po namin, ayaw namin magdagdag. Wala na po talagang paglalagyan. Yung top 12 na po ang hindi mag-a-attend. O, sa housekeeping na tayo. Okay? So, of course, our Fast Start promo is ongoing po yan. Lahat ng bagong enroll, pwede pong mag-enroll sa Fast Start. Patuloy po yan. It's going to be part of our permanent program. Kagaya ho ng double builder bonus, ng builder bonus, hindi double. Kasi para mag-double builder bonus, dapat Fast Start, di ba? Builder bonus, rapid rewards, and all the Great Escape. It's going to be a permanent program for life. So all of our affiliates who enroll at 400 LP gets a chance to belongs to a very elite group of affiliates and they have a chance to earn an additional 2.3 million on top of their commissions on their first year. At ang pinakamagandang balita ho doon, alam nyo ba? Hindi. Hindi, kasi nga hindi pa. Do you know that the Philippines is one of the highest in terms of enrollment ng Fast Start? Right? And you would wonder, sabi nyo, it's an excuse. Sometimes we say, kasi ganito yung estado ng Pilipinas. But we are out enrolling European countries, right? First world countries in the Fast Start program, right? Because it really shows that our affiliates are not just focused on consumers, but also on developing business builders, right? And so, aside, kahit na hindi yung mga nag-break rank po, kahit hindi sila part ng Fast Start, meron pa rin silang regalo galing sa For Life Philippines, which is our products. Yung mga naka-Fast Start, may products na. So, kung presidential elite, kung si Ma'am Maricar ay naka-Fast Start ba siya, magkano yun? 42 ba? Ayun. Bakit ko siya tinatanong? Nandito eh. 42,000. Oh, Presidential Elite, Presidential 28, mga nag-bronze 56. Additional bonus on top of the commission. Pero on top of that, meron din po silang mga product gift pack. Diamond Elites gets 14,000 pesos worth of products. Presidential Elites gets 24,000 pesos worth of products. Bronzes get 26,000 pesos worth. Bakit ho yung Bronze Elite? Kasi pag nag-break rank ka ng Bronze Elite, okay? At tapos ka na sa Diamond Presidential Bronze, meron kang Great Escape. Okay? More than just 26,000 pesos worth of products. So, of course, I was very surprised. Okay? Do you know that ang dami po nating nabenta na Better Together series product recommendations? Okay? Just to let everyone know and to educate everyone. The Better Together series is not a product combo. It is a product recommendation. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin ng product recommendation? We are simply letting people know what are the complementary products that support specific health focus. Ano ba yung magandang magkakasama kung mayroong very specific health focus? Maganda ho, kaya ho napakabilis na bumibenta tong BTS product recommendation natin because it simplifies. Okay? It simply simplifies our product sharing. Kung meron kakakilala na ang kanilang health focus ay cardio, instead of one product, you tell them ito ang magandang magkakasama. At ang maganda ho doon, some affiliates are asking, bakit walang discount? Because we want to maximize also our affiliates' efforts. You recommend the product, you should get the maximum return. Kasi pag merong discount, ano nangyayari? Bumababa yung life points, right? And we don't want to devalue our products as well. So it's designed for 1 month consumption. So, hindi naman ho siguro surprising na ang best-selling BTS natin ay, hulaan nyo alin? Cardio. Okay? So it makes, and watch out, we're going to be preparing additional materials for very specific product recommendations. Bakit ito ba maganda? Why do they go well together? Ilan ang iinumin mo sa umaga, ilan ang iinumin mo sa gabi. Hindi na tayo magme-memorize, papakita na lang natin, babasahin na lang natin sa kanila. Ganun na ho kasimple. Alright? And we really try to keep it below 10,000 so that it's not overwhelming. Kasi remember, the people who will be taking this, not all of them are affiliates. Some of them are really just consumers, right? So we want them to try it out and consume it every month. Kung gusto nyo naman mag-loyalty, kagaya nito, 109 LP, gusto mo mag-150, then you look for at least 2, right? 2 consumers that will take these product combos. So meron po tayong mental wellness, 114 LP yan, lung health. Ano kaya ang pangalawa na best-selling? Sugar Watch. Of course, ang best-selling pa rin po natin overall is our transfer factor Big 4. Okay? Para ho saan ang Big 4? Anong health focus? General wellness, and for the Big C, ano yun? Commission. Okay? So, Sugar Watch, may Acid Watch po tayo, lung health. Di ba? Hindi mo na kailangan isipin, hindi na kayo kailangan tanungin ng inyong mga teammates, alam na nila. Eventually, we will create more materials for these. Of course, we also have reproductive wellness for men, reproductive wellness for women. Alam mo kung isa pang napakamabenta? Hulaan nyo. Glow Up. Most people think they're just focused on health challenges. Pero ito is for beauty and youth rejuvenation, napakamabenta rin po. We also, yung weight management is currently out of stock kasi padating pa lang yung NutraStart, hinahanap na kayo ng mga anak ko. Urinary health, and then we have skincare basics also. We are also working on other product BTS, Better Together product recommendations for the liver. Okay. Big 4 po yun, ma'am. Okay. So, saan ba natin mahanap yan? Kung meron tayong app, okay? Para makita nila na sino nagrekomenda nito. At least meron na po tayong basis. Sa app natin, click lang po natin to. Lalabas po ito. Pag-click po natin dito, or pwede rin dito, hindi yan touchscreen picture lang yan. Kaya, lalabas po yung products. Punta po tayo, click natin ito, which means the products that are combined together, at makikita po natin doon ang ating mga Better Together series. Pwede nyo rin po yan isend sa My Shop ninyo. Right? So it's so much easier, even in our website. Just go to 4Life Philippines, click shop. Okay? Pag-click shop, other packs. Pag-click nyo ng other packs, lalabas mo, swipe down, up. Lalabas din po yan, yung ating mga product, BTS product recommendations. So, it's really changed the way people share the products at napakabilis na po ngayon. Mas mabilis na. wala nang tanungan. Okay? Lalo na ho pag lumabas yung ating mga flyers. Okay? So watch out for marketing materials and other complementary product recommendation in the coming months. So also, sino ho dito ang nag-loyalty last month ng 150 LP and above? Okay? Kung nag-loyalty po kayo in the month of October, 150 LP and above, did you know that you can choose kahit na ano sa ating Big Four products as your loyalty free bonus product of the month through redemption. So dati ho kasi, di ba, paminsan liver clear. Ay, hindi ako gumagamit nito. Malungkot sila. O bakit yung EFA? Ay, gusto natin lagi plus. Ngayon po, pwede na. Every month, if you want your free product through redemption to be plus, pwede. Dahil now you have a choice, there's more flexibility because every time you hit 150 LP loyalty order, okay, you get 35 LP bonus loyalty credit plus meron pa kayong 15 LP loyalty, 15% loyalty points. So kung 150 may 35 plus 15%, 23 LP, that's a total of 58 LP loyalty points. So kailan mo to pwede gamitin? Pwede mo to gamitin sa susunod na buwan. Kaya nga ho dapat back-to-back tayo lagi naglo-loyalty, tuloy-tuloy every month. Para kung gusto mo every month may libre ka. Right? Kasi yung kiniklaim natin na redemption points ngayong buwan ng November was the points that you earned in October. Right? So, mas maganda ho para every month we can choose the product that we want. Kung gusto mo plus, pwede. Right? Kung gusto mo free products of the month, hindi lang isa. Isang trifactor, isang bio-EFA, 57 points yan. Dalawa yung free product mo, pwede. Right? Kung gusto mo, Sir Frank, 58, 17 divided by 58, tatlong bio-EFA, pwede rin. Right? Okay. The possibility of free product combinations are unbelievable. Pero meron po kaming special surprise, maagang pamasko, ang For Life, okay? Ngayong November, pag ang iyong loyalty order ay 175, so dumagdag lang ng 25 LP. Aside from meron kang 35 LP bonus product credit, plus yung 15%, so tumaas, di ba? Naging 25, tama ba? Tama? Oh, somewhere there. 35. Sir, Frank, help me. 62 minus 35. Nakabakasyon pa yung mga utak. 27. 27. Okay? Kasi 15%, di ba, ng 175. You get 62 LP loyalty points plus outright. Hindi nyo na kailangan i-claim. Kasama na po sa inyong order isang transfer factor collagen. Kasi gusto po namin, inumin nyo yung collagen para maganda po tayong lahat pagdating ng December 8. Fresh and beautiful sa recognition event natin. Alright? That is only from November 4 to 11. Kaya dapat to, bilisan na natin, agahan natin ang paglo-loyalty natin ngayong November. Okay? And because you are 34 times more persuasive in person as opposed to doing an online presentation. Meron din po kami maagang pamasko. Itutuloy po natin ang ating Super Saturday 135 raffle ngayong November at ngayong December. January, wala na po yan. Kaya maximize na natin, mag-invite na po tayo. Right? So, ang pinakamalaki na, kasi yung raffle, hindi ka pa sure eh. Tama? Ilan lang naman huy na nanalo. Pero pag may dala kang bisita at nag-sign up yun, sure. Sure ball. Di ba? Sure ball, padalo tayong lahat. Okay? So, extended po ang ating Super Saturday 135, November and December. Okay? Yung ating Great Escape, February 24 to March 4, actually po, puno na siya. Okay? But we are trying to get additional slots for our qualifiers because we have, I think, hindi pa official. Unofficially. Pero I believe, Ma'am Daisy Bartolaba qualified for the Great Escape in the month of October. Palakpakan naman po natin si Ma'am Daisy from General Santos City. Okay? Okay, so panoodin po natin yung very recent na escapades ni Tita Mapet, Tito Carly at nila Sir Frank sa ating latest na Great Escape that happened just last July.
The Great Escape trip rewards qualifying presidential and international diamonds with a luxury vacation to an exotic regional destination and also features exclusive leadership training. You can enjoy 6 ways to win a Great Escape trip. Number 1. As a new presidential diamond, qualify 3 times in your first 6 months at this rank. Number 2. As a new international diamond, qualify 2 times in your first 6 months at this rank. Number 3. Qualify as an international diamond in the same month that you achieve the ID 50K level. Number 4. Qualify as an international diamond in the same month that you achieve the ID 100K level. Number 5. Qualify as an international diamond in the same month that you achieve the ID 150K level. And number 6. Qualify as an international diamond in the same month that you achieve the ID 200K level. Remember, qualifications in a single month only count toward earning 1 Great Escape trip. A distributorship may only earn each trip once. There's a big, beautiful world out there. Let's see it together. It's time for your Great Escape.
Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading. And all these
We're here on the Spectrum of the Seas on Royal Caribbean. This is one of the most luxurious ships that Royal Caribbean has to offer, and For Life is a part of it. There's so much to do here, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next Great Escape.
and I'm fighting whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons they leave. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning, I'm fighting whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons they leave. You know.
Hello everyone, I'm Arnold and this is Jo, my wife. Every affiliate deserves this trip.
To be with my family, to be with my team in this trip, that's really what makes it so memorable.
Is that we are continuously running our, okay? Kanina medyo luma na yung video. Yung international yun ho yung bronze. So ang pumalit na sa mga bronze 50K is our new bronze elite, bronze 100K, silver, and higher than that, new silver elite. So when you break rank, meron ho kayong, pagtapos na kayo dito ha, it's sequential. Hindi po pwedeng tumalon. Okay? So dapat daanan mo muna to 6 months, 6 months, 6 months. Kung hindi nag-qualify, that's a time. Pwede na ho tayo dito. Right? Pero, pinakamagandang balita ho is that we are currently ongoing po yung ating Great Escape Fast Start Challenge. Is everyone aware of the Great Escape Fast Start Challenge? Did you know that ang leading po, top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sa bronze to silver elite category ay puro Filipino. Okay? Ito, nasa top 10 tayo. So, pero ang dapat po natin targetin din, yung mga bago nating distributors, it is the first time ever that people who are below presidential, kahit hindi ka pa presidential, pwede ka mag-qualify if you have the highest points in terms of fast start enrollment. So how can we earn points? Paano ba tayo mag-earn points sa ating fast start Great Escape Challenge? Okay? So, if you enroll new affiliates on the fast start, pag personally enrolled mo, 40 points bawat isa. Pero hindi lang po yung personally enrolled mo, kahit in-enroll sa first, second, third level mo, meron kang 20 points. Kunwari siya, in-enroll niya to, may 20 points ka. Siya, in-enroll niya to, 20 points ka lahati. Right? So, it encourages you to also support your first 3 level to enroll affiliates on the fast start. Pero hindi lang naman ho enrollment ang hinahabol natin. Gusto ho natin tuloy-tuloy sila mag-build. That's why we also have points. After nila mag-fast start, the next month or anytime within the promo period, kasi hanggang December lang po ito. Tama ba ako? December? Okay? Kasi wala akong aabono. Pag nag-loyalty sila, every month na maglo-loyalty sila, let's say may in-enroll kay fast start in the month of October. Ngayong November, nag-loyalty sila, meron kang additional 20 points. Sa December, nag-loyalty sila 150. Sa December, nag-loyalty sila ng 150 ulit, 20 points. Parang yung 40 points mo na doble na agad. At hindi lang po yun, pati yung mga na-enroll sa 3 level mo, every time na mag-150 loyalty order sila, meron kang 10 points. Cumulative po yan. Pero hindi ka pwedeng sumali. Kung ikaw mismo, hindi pwedeng lahat ng points mo inherited. Dapat ikaw, at least meron kang isa. Kahit isa lang. Na fast start personally enrolled. Alright? Kasi yung ibang points, mayroon ng mga nananalo. Di ba? Sa David Lisunby Challenge. Isa lang yung na-enroll nila, pero marami kasi sa 3 level nila ang nag-enroll sa fast start. So, let's work with our teams to make sure that we qualify for the Great Escape Fast Start Challenge. Okay? So, cumulative po yung points. Ano ibig sabihin? Dahil yung promo natin started in September, October, November, December. Lahat ng points doon, pag nagtali po, yan. Yung top 16 na associate to Diamond Elite will go on the Great Escape. Top 7 Presidential Elite will go on the Great Escape. Top 7 Bronze to Silver Elite will go on the Great Escape. So that's a total of 30 additional Great Escape qualifiers. Can you imagine? Computin mo, sir, kung gaano kamahal yun. Di ba? 400 plus 1,000 times dami. 12. Right? Okay. So, we're trying to work to get additional slots. Kung hindi ho, meron naman yan laging kasunod na schedule. Alright? And we will let you know once we have the final destination. So, sino ang excited sa pag-qualify na susunod na Great Escape? Okay? Dapat kasing ang dami na naman nito. Konti lang sila. Bawasan. Pwede? Wag na. Sabi ni ma'am, wag na. Oh, isa pang halo. Okay? So, tignan natin. Bigyan mo natin digestive enzyme C. Ma'am Mercy.
You are my treasure. You are your bond. You are my treasure. You are the man. You are my treasure. You are your bond. You are my treasure. You are the man. You are the man.
And we would like to update everyone, is malapit na pong matapos yung 20 houses na binibuild po natin through Foundation for Life and Gawad Kalinga. Alam niyo ho ba kung paano nila ipapamigay yung mga houses na yon? Only, of course, they have a list, right? And they background check everyone. Ngayon ho, pag napili sila, yung family na yon would have to work 1,600 hours. Compute nyo po yun, divided by 8. Ako na, 200 days of 8 hours. Alam nyo, hindi ganun biro yun ha. Kasi kami ho, apat kalahating araw lang. Pagdating ho ng 4 na oras. Pagdating ho ng mga second hour, ako na ho to ha. Sobrang energetic ko. Claude, rest muna. Mabigat magbuhat na, di ba? But so it's not free to them. They have sweat equity. So, yung makakatanggap po ng mga bahay na to, pag tinurn over po natin hopefully by December, they will be the happiest people because it's not free. They worked hard for it. So, alam niyo ba kung paano nila ita-turn over yung houses? Yung mga qualified na mga na pre-select na nila, yung 20 yung bahay, right? Meron pong bowl ng 20 na susi. Pipili silang susi. Lahat ng bahay nakalock. Tapos pag sinabi, ready, get, set, go! Bubuksan nila. Titignan nila isa-isa. Kung alin yung bahay na bumukas, sa kanila na yon. Can you imagine how kinukwento ko lang, tumatayo yung balhibo ko hanggang ulo eh. Because how emotional that would be. And of course, we would like to invite our For Life affiliates. Wala pa pong date, but once, and hopefully we are targeting before Christmas so that it's going to be the best Christmas ever for them. They will be first-time homeowners. Pero ang pwede lang pong pumunta, okay? Dapat may baon kang regalo. Okay? Walang cash donation. Dapat to, dalhin nyo yung regalo nyo dito. Ang regalo po natin, dapat yung pwede nilang gamitin sa bahay. Depende kung isang baso lang yan, okay. Pero huwag naman sana isang baso, 10 piso lang yun. Grabe naman kayo. Gawin nyo naman 6. Kasi hindi naman mag-isa yun nandun, di ba? So, things that they will use in the house. Right? So, we are also planning on donating 20 Christmas trees. So that when they open their homes, we will build a Christmas tree with them. It's going to be their first Christmas in their homes. It's going to be very emotional. And when you become part of something so momentous, di ba, in the life of someone, it sticks with you. Alam nyo, my children are 5 and 4. And we really try to teach them that, and it is true. It is always better to give than to receive. Bakit ho? Pag ikaw tumatanggap, isang ibig sabihin nun, ikaw ang nangangailangan. Right? Pero pag ikaw ang nagbibigay, ibig sabihin, meron kang kapabilidad magbigay. So ano ang gusto nyo? Kayo yung nanghihingi o kayo yung nagbibigay? Ay, syempre, kayo yung nagbibigay, right? And so we would like to share with you this short video from the foundation. Biruin mo si Dr. Volmer. Sumakit ang likod. Pero ayaw niya kasing magpapigil. Pinigil ko naman siya. Pero he really made an effort. He really made a way to come back to the Philippines to participate in building these homes. And we'd like to invite you to watch this short video.
Hey there everyone, we're now right here at Gawad Kalinga Village in Dasmariñas, Cavite for the second wave of service activity of Foundation for Life here in the Philippines. And as we all know, Foundation for Life is a service arm of For Life which aims to break the cycle of poverty by providing the basic needs of the children across the globe. Today, we will check the progress of our For Life village that we're constructing for 20 families here in Dasmariñas, Cavite.
So don't you let the sunlight get out without you? Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let our road tonight. Live your life like you was running out with a light. We gotta scream it out. And feel the rush in your not lost, no matter where you've been.
Hello everyone, we are here at the Gawad Kalinga For Life Village. Just last June, we had our day of service together with Jenna Isenby and Jeff Kalanin and Dr. Volmer, wherein we started digging up the foundation for these homes. And five months after, we're back. If you can see, all the structure is already up. I would say we're already 70% done. We're very excited to turn over these homes, hopefully before Christmas of 2024. So the people, the worthy recipients of these homes would have a truly unforgettable Christmas. We would like to thank all of our leaders who supported this activity. And of course, Dr. Volmer is here. Our golds are here, our silvers, our top 12 affiliates. Thank you very much for being here and continuing to support Foundation for Life.
And feel the rush when you're not lost, no matter where you've been.
Hello, we are here for a day of service. This is the second day of service we have done for the Foundation of For Life. The first day we were building foundations, we were putting up cinder blocks. This time we're actually doing flooring and we're painting. We are almost complete, and I am so grateful and so happy and so inspired and motivated to be here helping all of these wonderful children, wonderful families in the community. And so thank you so much for everything that you have done that allows us to be able to support these wonderful people. Thank you.
We gotta scream it out.
Volmer, yung t-shirt niya pwedeng pigain. Tapos gusto niya sumakay ng kotse na ganun yung t-shirt niya. Sir, do you want to change your shirt? No, it's okay, sir. Baka po pneumonia kayo. Sir, bakit? In the Philippines, you don't let your sweat dry on your back because you will get pneumonia. Hindi po totoo yun. Pero sa kanila, okay lang. Pero just to be safe, wag tayo magpatuyo ng pawis. Kasi yung sabi ng lola ko bababa ang iyong immune, kailangan mo
Pretty girl, you should be smiling. A girl like you should never look so blue. You're everything I see in my dreams. I wouldn't say that to you if it wasn't true. I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine. So fine. Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine.
naubusan po tayo. Wala pong yung parang sa jeep kandong, kalong lang, 'di ba? Wala hong ganun doon. Kaya kailangan ho, make sure that you and your entire team already have tickets for our event. We're very excited to have you there. And let's have a great November 2024. Dapat to, ano ulit? Second highest or third highest month, di ba? So, congratulations again for Life Philippines. Thank you very much. Have a great day.